How to make Methi Paratha. Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a simple and delicious Methi Paratha recipe. It's flavorful, healthy, and perfect for breakfast or lunch. Let's get started. Ingredients: fresh methi leaves, 2 cup of wheat flour, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, 2 to 3 green chillies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, salt to taste, oil or ghee for cooking. First, finely crush the cumin seeds and keep them aside. Now let's prepare the chutney. Take garlic, chopped ginger, and green chilies and crush everything together to make a coarse chutney. Dough making. Take a large mixing bowl, add wheat flour, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Now add the crushed cumin seeds and the ginger garlic chutney. Add 1 cup of chopped methi leaves. And mix well. Gradually add water and knead everything into a soft dough, just like roti dough. Once the dough is ready, add a little oil and knead again. Cover and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Making parathas. After resting, knead the dough once more. Divide into small equal sized balls. Take one dough ball, flatten it slightly, dust it with dry flour, and roll it into a thin paratha. Cooking. Heat a pan well and place the rolled paratha on it. Cook on medium flame, flipping until both sides turn golden brown. Apply a little oil or ghee on both sides and cook well. Serving. Serve the methi paratha hot with pickle or curd. Your soft and tasty methi paratha is ready. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this methi paratha recipe. If you did, please like the video, share it with someone who loves homemade food, and subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.